Okay, y'all, we're gonna do a retake here of the extra cool Take 5 car wash here in Longview. The one I filmed last year anyway. I haven't filmed any of the other two locations. Looks like it's still open. I checked their hours. They're open until 7. I think I remember how to do this. I blocked off that. Right. I was going to try out their bottom dollar wash. Let's get a quick look at those are your options right there. On the yeah, we're going to try out the bottom dollar wash today. Yep, 10/16/2025. Did they actually drop the price to this one like $1? I feel like they did. So I do have a bunch of combinations for washes plus add-ons. I do have a 10 bill in cash, so I'm just going to use that. If it will take it. Okay. The cash insertion thingy is not working. So I guess I'm gonna have to use it with my card, which is totally fine. Whatever works, I guess. There you go. Let's see. Car 138. Right. You said the same guy last time was working today. I don't think so though. He's put me on the conveyor, looks like it. He is. I got the screen working today. Double AccuTrack wash. Definitely the most, definitely a standout wash here in Longview. So let's see how the base wash does. And I'm thinking sometime before I graduate school, I'll probably get the 25 wash. We'll see. He just hosed down my car. So yeah. It's so quiet. There's nothing running right now. That's really funny. But now I'm curious if this was like a ripoff. Which are the AccuTracks? Oh, there we go. I didn't get any of the top brushes. Yeah, I'm definitely coming back to do the top wash here at some point. There's no go light, just because you just roll right off the conveyor. That one seems a little bit scammy, but we'll check out my car when we get back because it was a little bit dirty. Yeah, it was dirty because I hadn't washed it in a month. So, I mean, I would have liked to see a little bit more stuff, but I will check when I get back. So, yeah.